Rock steady, you say?
Oh yeah, ready to go.
Well, let's see just how steady you are. Was I even recording? I was not recording, so we're gonna have to do that again.
Oh well, what's one more time?
So she moved. Nothing we can do about that. Just gotta keep recording and just keep going. I really feel bad for this truck.
My first rodeo, baby. I'm telling you.
Oh! Back it out. Honestly, I don't know if this is an action cam review or if this is a truck review because I don't really know which one is cooler. Either which way, we're gonna give both a buy. This thing is nasty. It's filthy. Get her up. Take that out. A muddy bath. And of course, we gotta put this guy in too. Let's take it out the case. This is waterproof without the case, supposedly, so might as well take it out the case, give it a good bath. Alright. What's as good as an action camera if you can't wash it off and clean it, right? You've got to be able to take some action, and today was definitely some action. Rock steady time. Ramp number 1.
not very high. Ramp number 2, really freaking high. Are you still alive? What happened to ROCKSTEADY? Still in one piece. Let's try some more. Just in case this plane, which I'm gonna strap this action camera to, can't take the weight or whatever it is and it goes down and crashes to the depths of the earth, well, at least I'll just lose a $75 camera versus a $400 action camera, which doesn't even belong to me. That should do the trick. What do you think? Anyway, what's life without a little risk? Let's get this done. Wish me luck. Well, it's still on. That's a good thing. Well, as you can see, that was definitely a bad idea. Bad idea. What next? How can I really check this ROCKSTEADY? I mean, look. Look. There it goes. Came right out. You can see the sensor inside. Can you see the sensor? So one prop completely broke off, shattered. Won't be able to finish this test today. Don't forget, I'm giving away 6 drones, either the Autel Evo drones or the Mavic 2 Pro or Zoom drones. The winners get to choose 6 winners 6 months in a row when I hit 1,800 patrons. If you're not a patron, head over to my Patreon account. All it takes is $1 a month. That's $12 a year to support me, and in return, I will do my best to support my community. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you when I can.